Okay, let's go inside our KFC.
Yeah. You want to explore our KFC?
Ikaw mag-tour sa kanila.
Okay. This is our open KFC. It's so pretty. Change the color, please.
No,
Okay, fine.
it's just like that. It's cute.
Yeah, it's so cute. You want to see the garage? Oh, yeah. You have a garage?
Huh?
You have a garage?
Garage.
Yeah. Where the garage? Oh my god, the bus is so
Kitty.
kitty. Why you sitting here? Bro.
Oh, what's it? Oh. Wait.
I'm sorry. Okay, why you sitting? Why you ano dyan?
Wait lang kasi.
Ooh. This is my.
Ay, wait.
I want to.
May table dapat para sa baby. Kaya dito.
Yeah.
Ah, ba't nakalap dito?
Wait.
So, yan, guys.
I want to put on lights.
Aliyah! Tanggalin mo yan.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Tanggal ko na.
Hindi pa. Yan!
Okay lang. Pang baby to.
Of course! Duh! Di mo makita.
I can see the.
So, Yashara.
Yasha.
Aliyah.
Huh? What? I cannot put it there.
That's yours!
No, this is not mine.
That's yours!
No.
Ayan pa, oh! Ayun pa, tatlo yan! Go get it all! Oh my god. Amin na.
Okay. Oh my god. Come on.
Ako na muna magkakontrol. Ako na magkakontrol na to.
Ikaw ang cellphone?
Oo.
Ikaw mag-decision.
So, okay guys. We are going to explore
Where are
the
you?
upstairs. I'm upstairs.
Okay.
And, yan. Ito, aming bathroom. This is my bed.
Where my bedroom?
Your bedroom.
I see you.
Oh!
I see you.
Oh, hi!
Hi.
Oh, my bedroom is right over here, guys.
I want to read.
Yung bedroom mo nandun sa kabila. Dito. Yan.
Ito?
Ito, dito. Oh, dito!
Saan ba?
Dito. Here.
Ah, dito.
Because you're the owner. Kasi master bedroom yan.
Yeah.
Tapos, doon ka muna sa sofa. Hindi pa naman tayo.
I want to read.
What do you mean?